Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete all Gmail emails at once. This is a quick way to clean up your inbox or remove large numbers of emails from your Gmail account. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. If you haven't already, sign in to your Google account. Once you're in your inbox, click the Select checkbox at the top of the email list. This will select all the emails currently visible on the page. Next, click the message that says Select All Conversations in Inbox. Gmail will now select every email in your inbox, not just the ones on the current page. Now, click the Delete icon at the top of the page. A confirmation message may appear. Click OK to continue. Gmail will move all the selected emails to the trash folder. Keep in mind that the emails aren't permanently deleted yet. To remove them permanently, click Trash from the left-hand menu. If you don't see it, click More to expand the list. At the top of the trash folder, click Empty Trash Now. Confirm your choice by clicking OK. All of your deleted emails will now be permanently removed from your Gmail account. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to delete all Gmail emails at once. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Gmail tips, Google Workspace tutorials, and productivity guides. See you in the next video.